Hey guys, and welcome to my Chanel unboxing. This is actually going to be a double Chanel unboxing today, so let's get this first one open. All right, let's get this Chanel bag open. I'm now going to take out the box. I love the packaging as always with Chanel, and let me show you the receipt, which I'm taking out of the bag as well. And last but not least, we also have the 5 care tips for the small leather goods or the leather goods from Chanel card. Always important to read it. All right, so let's take this ribbon off, and oh my gosh, it's coming off quite easily. Thank you, Chanel. Now I'm going to open up the box and show you what's inside. There's the dust bag, and here we have one gold croc embossed Chanel card holder. Absolutely love this piece. It's beautiful. All right, so I am shooting this in natural sunlight so you can see just how beautiful this card holder is. Let's see how many slots it has. It has one on the front, one in the center, and then we have 2 card slots on the back of this particular card holder. I love, love, love it. So last but not least, we've got the Chanel Authenticity card, which you get when you buy any Chanel at the Chanel boutiques, of course. And if you're looking to buy small leather goods, I really rate the Chanel ones. I feel like they keep their value or increase in value. Get them in the stronger materials like the caviar leather, or this one I'll test out the croc emboss, but I think this should wear well too. And I might do a report in 6 months' time to let you know how it's wearing. Now, this is from a 2019 collection, so I feel extremely lucky to find it in 2020. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.